Good morning, our dear viewers across the world. This is News and Views, where facts meet analysis for a clearer Nigeria. I'm Simon Fake. This morning, we are reviewing the news headline, Should Nigeria honor Salawa Abeni? Why do we need to express views on this news item? It is because of her patriotism in her musical career spanning 52 years. Recently, in the month of May 2026, Salawa Abeni celebrated her 65th birthday. So the question is, who is Salawa Abeni? Salawa Abeni is a legendary Waka musician. Record has it that the Waka Queen wax her first record in 1975-76 at age 13. What has been the core message of her music? Take the first album, for instance. It was produced in particular to honor the assassinated head of state at that time, late head of state Muritala Muhammad. And when you look into the lyrics of that song, Salawa Abeni specifically sympathized with Nigerians, with the immediate family of the assassinated head of state. He condoles his military colleagues, and she prayed Allah that his fellow citizens should continue to be protected from such disastrous events. Move forward in 1980, Salawa Abeni produced another album in which she commiserates with the victims and families of the Omiyale flood in Ibadan. She also beseeched God that he should continue to shield the Bola Ige-led Oyo State indigents from subsequent disaster. Thereafter, Queen Salawa Abeni has used her music to promote Nigeria Yoruba language, to promote Nigeria Islamic religion, to promote unity among Nigeria residents and indigents. She has, in most of her records, preached unity, submissiveness, and patriotism amongst her fans at home and abroad, talking about moral values that are capable of developing a nation. When Salawa Abeni has tried her best. Talking of promoting cultural values of Africa, Queen Salawa Abeni has carved a niche for herself. Salawa Abeni, no doubt, has proved herself as a fine musician. There have been up and downs in her life as synonymous with every successful human being on earth. But in it all, the Waka Queen Salawa Abeni have proved that the falling down of a man, in this case a woman, is not the end of her life. So one will be wondering why she hasn't been honored or been decorated with national award all this while. So, should we call upon President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to look into her contributions toward the development of Nigeria? Maybe you have to join more than 200 million Nigerians to appeal to the First Lady that alongside the congratulatory message from the presidency, Waka Queen Salawa Abeni, in her views, deserved to be honorably decorated with Nigeria National Award. What is your view? Do you think it's long overdue? Do you think, no, she has to prove more of herself through her music? Whatever you think about it, we will be waiting for you at our comment section. Share your opinion so that we know which way forward for the Waka Queen Salawa Abeni at 65. Until tomorrow when we come your way, this is News and Views, where facts meet analysis for a clearer Nigeria. I'm Simon Fake. Thank you.